next category, and this one with high-rises and flyovers becoming a norm, cranes dot the skyline everywhere. And these tall, lanky dudes find their way across every project that are not at eye level or underground. We now come to the best mobile crane brand 2021, and the winner in this category is Action Construction Equipment. Congratulations, Action Construction Equipment, for winning this prestigious award.
We thank Construction Week for the recognition and also thank our valuable customer for making ACE as the best mobile crane brand. Our relentless pursuit for excellence has brought us here. This has strengthened our commitment to give our customer the most value for money product and under very good activations. Thank you.